G'day guys. So before I start picking, I've got another video that I'm going to put onto the end of this clip here. What I've been absolutely flat out doing all day. Take you through my new challenge lock building and lock picking equipment making shed. I've been flat out reorganising my old bar, setting up into different sections, or a bench or bar set up ready for all my chainsaw maintenance and sharpening and all that. And I've set up a bench out in there where I can do all my challenge locks so I don't get metal everywhere in here like I normally do, and where I can make some picks and tensioners and everything without smothering everything in wood dust, which absolutely everywhere. So yeah, a little bit lighter in here now. I've got a bit more room to put stuff. So yeah, I'll quickly play that, and then when we come back, I'm going to be picking a dimple lock that Stromy sent from Japan. Took all the locks out of the knobs, the door handles, and took them all out so they're ready. And we'll get this one picked and gutted and see what's in there. So be back after the quick video. Guys, so a little bit different today. I've been absolutely flat out. This used to be my bar man cave, which you could probably tell because that was the original bar that was sitting up under that. This is like a man cave out here. I had couches and everything in my big double car garage. Dartboard and everything, but I've been flat out today, all day, today being Friday, and Monday as well. I've been working all week otherwise. Reorganising this, you can probably still see I've got most of my beer stuff sitting up there, but I've been flat out redoing all this, so still got my dartboard up there. And the old team I used to be the vice captain of Barron's dart team. I was also the president of the dart club as well. Set up my old workbench into a pick and challenge lock making bench because I'm sick of putting metal filings absolutely everywhere through the office. So I've set it up out here with the Dremel, my beast, pinning tray so I can do all the challenge locks. I've got pins and springs in those two containers there, tweezers, all my Dremel bits and pieces all laid out in there. Followers, some locks to turn into some stock locks, and that to turn into challenge locks. All my wiper inserts in two lots, all the smaller ones and the last of the wide ones I've got right here. Wood to turn them into handles, and then yeah, drill, good old bench grinder, my bag, boink. And yeah, that's that bit. Dog's in here. Messy toolbox that I've got to finish sorting out. Welding, my portable welding thing, found that this bench thing in the big shed when we moved here, so I thought, well, it'll roll around in here. Have me gasless MIG welder, it also can run on gas, got a arc welder as well, chemicals and chip, big table to sit down and put locks together. When people come around, have a few drinks, and I don't drink anymore, to keep it warm in here. My big old pot belly goes right up to the roof, that I made. I had it going today because it's been freezing here, you can probably see. All double, triple lined in there, and if I get hungry, I can wrap up something in some foil and throw it in the top there. That heats up as a pizza oven. It's absolutely filthy because it's been sitting out in the shed here, not being used for a while, over summer and that. But get hungry, wrap something up in foil when the fire's going, and it heats it up. It gets really hot in there, enough to actually brown pizzas, and I'm trying to close that lid. But pizza oven on top. Got Bob, all my tools, all the stuff. Now my bar is now my chainsaw repair station. I've got all my chainsaw equipment here. My new benchtop chain sharpener, absolutely beast of a thing. Saves hours of doing it by hand. Spare chain, my zombie killer. And then, yeah, pretty much tools and paints and all car stuff over there. Welding helmet. And then trailer, been working on. Just wired it all up. And then in this cupboard, which I have some stickers on, I've got Lock Lab, Sparrows, and of course, me. And then in here, I haven't finished organising all this yet. I have my compound bow, my son's, and the tools for that. Then I've got a little portable barbecue, a cast iron camp oven, cannot live without one of them. Some hurricane lanterns, little gas stove, and then gas bottles and gas stove down the bottom, and a bottle of kerosene for power goes out quite often here. And if we have to bug out for fire season, got it all there. But yeah, that's pretty much now my workstation. So whenever you see me building stuff, and I'm going to be building stuff over the Sunday Beginner Series, this is where it's going to be, out here. Hopefully it'll work alright. I just got to work out where I can mount a tripod for my camera, so you'll be able to see everything that I'm doing, and we can make as much noise as we want because it's all the way away from the house. But anyway, there you go. Oh, and don't forget, there are one main thing. Man's home may be his castle, but his garage is his kingdom. And trespassers will be prosecuted. So, and hanging up here is a trophy, the rear mudguard off my wife's dirt bike. When she first got it, she popped it into a mud and went off the back, and it smashed the mudguard off. And a dog, Raven. One of 3. Got the dog's bed. And they are in here. White leather bloody thing. Spoilt little brats. Anyway, yeah, this is what's going on, what's here, and what you'll be seeing pretty soon. Once I finish doing a bit more organising and cleaning, and if I get bored, I'll start throwing knives at the dartboard. But yeah, I'll see you back inside. Just gone and thrown it into my kick holder, and it's all locked up because I don't have a key for this, but as you can see, it's locked. It's not going anywhere. So let's get some tension on this and see how we go. I haven't picked a dimple lock in a long time, and I'm going to use a flat flag, this one. So let's zoom in. You can see what's going on. Alright, one's binding. Click out of one. Click out of 2. A little turn on the core. I'll click out of 3 and a bit more of a turn on the core. Feels like 2 is down. deeper fault set now. One set, two fuel set, three fuel set. Fills up 4. Good, click out of 4. A little click there. Now I'm just feeling for deep fault set now. That was off 3. Deep fault set. Still not an open though. Just feeling for counter rotation. I think I just pushed pin 1 up. There he is, he's back down. It's alright. I think there's a high cut and this flat flag just can't quite get him. There's that fault set back. I believe that's counter, but there we go. It was. And we got an open. So getting a bit of a fault set and some counter rotation. So I've got a feeling there might be some spools in here. Let's knock that one out. Sit that there. Try not to lock him back up. Sorry. It is sitting right there. I haven't touched it. It's grabbing some stuff. Got pinning tray. Let me zoom out. Pinning tray.
Here's one of them. And I believe I just took my prize for these outside.
So there's a 6 pinner, and the last one isn't populated. It's got a hole cut out, but there's no pin there. It's a bit weird, but anyway, let's have a look. Alright, let's have a quick zoom in. Try and hold this up here. So all the pins, all the key pins are all standards. We have we have serrated spools in 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and a serrated driver in 2. All the springs are exactly the same, except in the 7th there's a little ball bearing and a slightly stiffer spring in the last one. That must be for the core control. Bit better, but didn't. I was expecting spools. That's what I was feeling, but I didn't think there'd be serrateds in there. It didn't really come into effect. But awesome, fun little pick. Most definitely. Good to see my dimple picking hasn't expired. Well, I haven't done it for that long. But there you go. Alright, better wrap this one up. As always follow the codes, keep Locksport legal, you know. Don't go do anything stupid. Please jump down the bottom here on this side. Here's a little subscribe button. Click that one and pop over this side to the little bell icon and turn that one on. That way you can stay up to date. As soon as I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to know. As you know, I try to upload 2 to 4 videos per week, depending on work and everything else that I've got going on. Don't forget to come and join us on Discord, Extreme League of Pickers. The link is in the description below. Don't forget you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We'll put up post photos, what's going on in the background, all the fun stuff that happens around here pretty much. If you're looking for great equipment at very competitive prices, please check out locksmithstoolbox.com. Absolutely great Australian company, and as you know, that's where I get all my lockpicking equipment from. If you want to get in contact with me, you contact me through any of the social medias, Discord, or send us an email at darkartslockpicking@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you. And until next time, cheers, guys. Oh, and if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it. See yous.